Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? Cardano is my favorite cryptocurrency. You know why? Because Cardano is going every day off like a rocket. So, absolutely, I like it. I like the moves of Cardano. So, before I get start this brand video, today video is gonna very important. Before I get start this brand video, I request you to please click the subscribe button because subscribe is very important. You know why? Because if you get subscribe ABSTech channel, then you have updated. Then I update you every cryptocurrencies, any good news or bad news of all every day, every single day, and all hours. So this is absolutely good for you. To don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like video. So guys, first of all, I gonna show you the last 1 hour result, and then I gonna show you the 1 day result. Then decided to how what's going on. Okay, so let's see. You get the watch this time the 1 hour result, and the chant is here. Absolutely unbelievable good chant. You can see here plus 2.18% gone up. So when I see this type of result of Cardano, absolutely I'm very excited. I'm very happy. This is absolutely very terrible result. Okay, so as you can see here, and the graph result absolutely gone up like a rocket. So this is absolutely good news for Cardano holder, and this is the start of this month. The most thing is that this is the not time to moving up, but this time you can see here all cryptocurrencies gone down, but one Cardano is absolutely going up. So here is the price of last one latest Cardano coin. So the 1.22 US dollar as the one token price. So let's see here. This is the latest of 1 hour result. Let's see the last 1 day result. I hope that again the last 1 day result absolutely gone up. Yo, my goodness, absolutely Cardano moving up in last 24 hours. You can see here in the graph result absolutely gone up like a rocket, and then again they can start dumping. Absolutely, this is very bad result. You can see here because this is one reason that they can start dumping. This is one big reason, and the reason is that to this is the end and the march of end people are selling are very high. So therefore the result, as you can see here, absolutely very bad. They can start dumping, but again they can start jumping. You can see here absolutely like a rocket. Absolutely, you can see here the chain as plus 3.12%. Absolutely, this is good chain. You can see here as the price is 1.24, and the price convert and 117 to 1.24 US dollar. So this is absolutely good result, and I hope they can make you a millionaire. Absolutely, they can make you a millionaire. So don't waste your time. Just buy Cardano and enjoy and wait for the end of this month and wait for latest update. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. I update you every hour, every good news or bad news. So don't forget to subscribe. Allah Hafiz, take care.